Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. Today in this video I'm going to show you how can you remove your Gmail account. So guys, at first just go to your Gmail. Now just click the top right your profile icon and select the last option here, manage accounts on this device. Now just select Google. Now just tap on an account that you want to remove. Click the bottom more option and here you can see remove account option. Click on it. Click on remove account and this is how you can remove Gmail account. So guys, that's how you can remove Gmail account. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.